Pay attention, mere mortals. You say, the movie was very good. He is very smart. It's okay. But okay doesn't get you the promotion. Okay doesn't make you a legend. Gyanu's here to cure the very virus. Let's upgrade your English from weak to powerful. Professor Foundation Builder gave you the golden formula.
The world is full of color. Today you will learn the words to paint it.
And it's beautiful. But he forgot to give you the golden words to put in it. He gave you the frame. I give you the masterpiece. Hack number 1, the very virus cure. Stop using very. It's weak. Instead of very good, say excellent, fantastic, or awesome. Instead of very smart, say brilliant. This one change will make you sound 10 times more powerful. Hack number 2, the opposite attack. How do you learn adjectives fast? Learn them in pairs. Happy, sad, good, bad, tall, short. It's a buy one, get one free offer for your brain. You're welcome. That's the difference between describing the world and defining it. That's the Gyanu effect. Your turn, genius. In the comments, cure this sentence. My day was very good. Use a stronger word. Smash like and subscribe. Join the vocabulary revolution. And if you think that was awesome, wait until you see tomorrow's revolutionary breakthrough. Gyanu builds the base. I add the rocket fuel. The evolution never ends. Boom. Evolution officially activated.